Hare Krishna, Namamrita. Pure love for Krishna is eternally established in the hearts of every living entity. It is not something to be gained from another source. When the heart is purified by hearing and chanting, the living entity naturally awakens. Since Krishna consciousness is inherent in every living entity, everyone should be given a chance to hear about Krishna. Simply by hearing and chanting Shravanam Kirtanam, one's heart is directly purified and one's original Krishna consciousness is immediately awakened. Krishna consciousness is not artificially imposed upon the heart, it is already there. When one chants the holy name of the Supreme Lord, the heart is cleansed of all mundane contamination. In Shikshashtakam, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sings, Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamaha davagni nirvapanam Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam Vidyavadhu jivanam Anandambudivardhanam pratipadam Purnamrita swadanam Sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam, which means all glories to the Shri Krishna Sankirtana. For what? Cheto Darpanamarjanam, for cleansing the heart of all the dust accumulated for years and years, and to extinguish the fire of conditional life of repeated birth and death. Bhava Maha Dava Agni Nirvapanam. Anandambudivardhanam. It is the life of all transcendental knowledge. It increases the ocean of transcendental bliss. It enables us to fully taste the nectar for which we are always anxious. Sarvatma Snapanam. It is a prime benediction for humanity at large because it spreads the rays of the benediction moon. Not only is a chanter of Mahamantra purified, but the heart of anyone who happens to hear the transcendental vibration of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare is also cleansed. Anybody who happens to hear this transcendental vibration is also cleansed. Even the souls embodied in lower animals, insects, trees, and other species of life, they also become purified and prepared to become fully Krishna conscious simply by hearing this transcendental vibration. Premanjanachurita bhakti vilochanena Santa sadaiva hridayeshu vilokayanti Yam shama sundaram achintya guna swarupam Govindam adipurusham tamaham bhajami. Lord Brahma in Brahma Samhita prays to Krishna. Premanjanachurita means with love and with bhakti vilochanena. Santa sadaiva hridayeshu. Santaha means pure devotees. Sadaiva, sada, always they see Krishna in their heart. True devotees see that form of Shama Sundara in their purified hearts under the influence of devotional trance. The form Shama is not the blue color visible in the mundane world, but it is the transcendental color affording eternal bliss, and it is not visible to any mortal eye. Yam Shama Sundaram Achintya Gunaswarupam. It's achintya means inconceivable. So it is inconceivable to understand the form of the Lord or to see the form of the Lord. Such a beautiful form. Krishna is Shama Sundara, Natavara, the best dancer, Muralidhara, the holder of the flute, Tribhanga, triple bending. These are not mental concoction, but it is transcendental and is visible with the eye of the soul of the devotee under trance. The one who has pure devotion, pure bhakti, and such pure bhakti and pure devotion can be attained only by chanting the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna Maha Mantra ki Jai.